Hello, what is up everybody, R33 here back with yet another diecast car video. And as you can see, there are two cars in front of me right now. And one right here is you normally see, and I've done a review and a shorts video regarding this car, which is the number 72 Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Kaido works, which is as you can tell, Kaido House Mini GT in purple, which I did a review on, which is in that dark purple, it's one of that color. Now what we're gonna review today is actually this. Now you might think these two look similar in person. They're actually not. If you look at the box closely, it's actually quite different. The color of the box is actually quite different. The number of the box is actually quite different. One's 72, this one's 89, and it actually says Kaido Works V2, which is version 2 of the Kaido House Mini GT R33s. If you look at the back, they all look the same basically. Now what makes it this different is what I'm gonna show you after this, which is what's inside the box. So I guess without further ado, we can take a look at the box right here. So it says Kaido House Mini GT number 89 Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Kaido Works V2 version 2, GTR right there, Kaido House on the side right here, number 0, and Kaido House Socials right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Here is the other side of the box. Designed in Los Angeles by Jun Imai. Says GTR right here as well. And moving down to the bottom of the box, ages 14 and up, Nissan Motor Corporation, officially licensed, and TSM model license as well. And there is the barcode if you need it. Mini GT socials right there as well. And let us reveal the car inside. Just basically different. Before that, Kaido House car culture for all scales, Kaido House Skyline, and Kaido House Mini GT. There is the car inside of the blister right there. Now it's actually quite different if you ask me personally. At first glance, I thought it was the same thing. It nearly looked like the same product that I've reviewed previously, which was the Skyline Kaido Works. Let me just show you side by side before that. The box, outside of the box right here. The box looked pretty much similar. The side by side, it's actually like pretty close if you ask me. But from what I see, it's totally different. Even though it says V2, the only changes comes from the color of the car. Now the one on the left is basically what I've reviewed previously, which is the Kaido House Mini GT R33 right here, in this sort of dark purple right here, with the chrome, I mean not chrome, but like matte gold base, I mean the rims right there, and the colors are all slightly different as well. The one on the right here is what we're gonna talk about today, which is the new Kaido House GTR R33 Kaido Works version 2. Now there are some big changes as well, like different colors as well. The rims are also different. They are in this like chrome, I mean matte silver, I think. And yeah, they're quite different side by side. You can clearly see the difference, but like from the box it looked pretty much the same, but outside of the box you can see that these two are pretty much different, and they both have the same like opening part feature, which I'm gonna talk about, and I'm gonna compare it side by side and show out the difference between both of them. And yeah, let's put this on the turntable for now. The one that we're gonna review today, which is this Kaido House R33 in this sort of like, I don't know, dark blue sort of. Now at first glance, this looks pretty nice in this dark blue. but it doesn't look as much of a difference between the one that I've previously reviewed, which was the purple. And the blue version, yeah, it has some quite big changes in terms of color compared to the purple version that I've done a review of. The box is also like slightly different in terms of the color, but other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. So yeah, let us take a closer look at the car and show the side of the car first. Now here is the side of the car in dark blue. So let's start off from the back. We have a KW sponsor right there, Greddy sponsor right here next to the door, big work logo right there as well. You have 5-spoke like matte silver rims, which are pretty similar to the purple version. And I don't know, is that Nissan on the rims? Not sure. What is it? So yeah, it says Nissan on the rims, so I don't think they pretty much have like a sponsor or anything for the rims, which is I guess okay, pretty nice. Now same thing from the front and back, and yeah, I believe plastic side mirror right here as well. And yeah, pretty much that's it for the side. And yeah, let's move on to the front. We do have the headlights right here as well, which are transparent. GTR logo right there, Greddy at the bottom right there at the sort of intercooler at the bottom. You have the front splitter right here, front bumper, which is cool. The hood, there is a part of carbon fiber right here, which is not fully cover the hood or anything, just the front middle part right here. And it says Kaido House, which is nice. And you have the like hood pins, I guess, and Greddy right here as well above the headlights. And let me just show you the opening hood feature right there. Now there is the hood shown right here as well. So I don't know if you can see the detail of the hood that much, but yeah, there are parts that are colored in like red, silver, I don't know, blue, which is pretty nice. They've detailed it well, if you ask me, and I really do like it. So yeah, regular windshield tint. What is that? Carbon fiber interior or some sort, I think so. And you can actually see the carbon fiber through the like windshield, which is pretty interesting if you ask me. Yeah, you can see the carbon fiber right there. Nissan windshield banner right there as well. You have nothing on the roof or anything. Yeah, nothing on the roof. And moving on to the rear window right here. So you have the Kaido logo right there as well, Kaido House right there logo. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's move on to the side right here. Pretty much the same thing on both sides just now. Nothing much difference. Both are pretty much the same thing on either side, which is cool. So let's see, carbon fiber rear spoiler right here, which is pretty interesting if you ask me. Carbon fiber spoiler. And yeah, here is the back. You have the iconic GTR rear lights right there, with 2 on each side for the R33. And you have some white linings at the bottom right here as well. GTR right there, Skyline Nissan badge, and it says Kaido R33, which is nice. Mini GT licensing right there as well, and 2 exhaust pipes at the bottom left. Now if you look at the base, of course, Kaido House has that special base right here, which is in purple. So 1994 Nissan Skyline GTR R33, used under license, made in China, and Kaido House Mini GT. So yeah, that's basically it for the base. Pretty much same, I would say. It's pretty much the same thing as what I've reviewed previously, which was the purple one. And here we have it in blue. So nothing pretty much has changed over the past previous color basically, and this color. I mean, if you ask me personally, if you were to have a choice to go to either one of them, I would say pick the color that you really much like. Basically, if you like the purple version, go ahead and get the purple. If you like the blue, then yeah, better go get the blue. And here it is side by side right here, purple and blue, both in the same livery, just that are in different colors, of course, and different rim colors as well. So the only difference are, you can basically see like the stripes, the pinstripes on the side, the text on the side of the car as well. From the purple version, it's colored in sort of like yellowish white, but on the blue version, it's more to fully white, which is the only changes. And for the rims, on the purple version, you have the like sort of matte gold rims, and whereas the blue version, you get like matte silver rims, which that's the only difference. And if you take a look at the hood, hold on, let me get both of them open right now. Okay, so if you look at both of them closely with the hood open, so okay, the hood, there are a few changes in terms of the hood. And if you look at it closely, on the purple version, the engine block is more to like in a gold color, sort of, to match the rims. Whereas for the blue version, you have a red version, which is pretty much the only difference, I think. And yeah, besides that, you have like some different details, if you ask me. Some slightly different changes and all. Oh yeah, the Min GT like logo at the back of the car right there as well. On the blue version, it's in black and white, whereas the purple version is in red and white, which is, yeah, quite an interesting detail if you ask me. But yeah, overall, if you ask me, personally, the blue and for the blue and purple version, it's hard to just say in person. I mean, both of them look great. They're pretty nice castings from Kaido House, but if you ask me, the blue version is just the same thing as the purple version, just that one's colored in blue, one's colored in purple. Both are similar livery, and basically that's it. There's nothing else to basically describe between the two. Other than the fact, if there is like massive changes, such as the Greddy Nissan GTR R34 and the previous version, which was in that Nismo blue, where it had a different livery of some sort. But this one, both of these are basically the same thing, just that one's colored in blue and one's colored in purple. That's basically it. But other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. So if you wanna get it, get it with the color that you like. If you like blue, go ahead, grab it in blue. If you want the purple, go ahead and get the purple. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Kaido House Mini GT Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Kaido Works, which is in this blue color right here. Just if you're wondering, this is the one that we've previously reviewed, which is the purple version. You can go check that review out as well in the Kaido House playlist if you want, or you can stick around and let's end the video. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Kaido House Mini GT. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.